Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. And what a day, right? So RBI Governor Shakti Das finally came out and they have paused the interest rate hike. So that was a surprise in the market, and you know what happened to the market. Market rallied like anything. It didn't rally like anything. It just moved more than 150 points and 16,000. Let me go to the charts. This 16,000 level was very crucial. By the way, we have a very vibrant Telegram group for which the link is on the description below. We discuss many things about stock market strategy, so on and so forth. So if you want, you can join. So market managed to close around 17,600 levels. So that was very crucial. So yesterday's video, I told perfectly that on 9th of March, there was a gap. On 10th of March, Nifty gapped down by around 200 points. And today's price action Nifty couldn't close below 17,600. So that was very unfortunate. Apart from that, you know what happened. Let me change this to a 5 minutes time frame. So if I change this to a 5 minutes time frame, you know what happened. Markets were really going good, 17,500 to 17,600. So it was a move of more than 150 points. But the problem is in spite of Nifty moving so much, we are not able to capitalize the profit, or we are not able to make profit. Many people complain about this. The problem is not the market. The problem is about the VIX. India VIX is very low and you don't find premium, and market is moving violently. So if you see here from around around 1 o'clock to 1:30, market has moved around how much? Around 1 o'clock, market was around 17,637 from around 100 points drop in just half an hour. So you might not be able to manage when India VIX is low, but the market is moving on a very violent note. So that is one problem we not only me, everyone will be facing. So this is the thing what is happening in the market now. If I change this to a daily time frame, what you can observe is that price action is respecting this trend line. No, so whatever candlestick or whatever price action or whatever candlestick which was formed today, I think it is a kind of reversal candlestick. Of course, we will have to wait for tomorrow's. Tomorrow is a holiday due to Good Friday, so we'll have to wait till Monday what is going to happen, whether we are going to take today's low of 17,500 or not. In fact, if you see the open interest, people are writing huge put options in even 17,500. So we will have to wait for confirmation whether this is a reversal. Now, whatever candlestick you are seeing is undecisiveness, or market is not able to take, or the participants are not able to take the market on the higher side. Let me tell you one more thing, that is that FIIs have drastically reduced their short position in an index, which we will also see in this later part of this video. And going forward, we will see whether as of now this trend line is being respected both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is Nifty chart, and in terms of Bank Nifty, if you see, it is a perfect whatever chart. I don't know what is the name or what is the term of this candle, maybe shooting star or inverted hammer, something like that. So it is this kind of candlestick shows that the possibility of reversal is very high. But of course, I am saying we will have to wait for confirmation, which we know only on Monday, whether Bank Nifty is going to open below 41,000. Today's low, if I change this candlestick to 5 minutes candlestick, so you can observe that today's low is around how much? Around 40,800 level. So whether Bank Nifty is going to sustain 41,000, if on Monday Bank Nifty opens below 40,000 or even 41,000, sorry, not 40,000, 41,000, we might see Bank Nifty drifting towards on the downside. On the other hand, if Bank Nifty gap ups, as I talked to you, US futures are all in the green. Green in the sense it's not green, it's flat. So 0.5%, Dow Jones is 0.5%. I don't know, for one or other reason, Nasdaq has been not performing for last 3 or 4 trading session. So let us see that also. As of now, what we are seeing is Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq is down by %. Dow Jones S&P is almost flat, and Europe is also almost flat. So in case we don't know what is going to happen tonight in US, in case US markets close in positive, there is some positive news, or in case we gap up on Monday, we might see levels of maybe 42,000 levels, or 41,500 levels in Bank Nifty, and Nifty might inch up towards 17,800 levels. So that is what I expect. In case Nifty gaps down, it has to sustain 17,500. That's what I am saying. Even people are writing so much put option in 17,500, and Bank Nifty, if you see Bank Nifty, people are writing even 41,000 put option aggressively. Now that whatever they are writing, so much of puts they have been writing on the downside, it's they are taking huge risk. In case the market gaps down for one or other reason, they'll be in big trouble. And as I told you, even FIIs have reduced their short position in future index. We'll also see that. We'll also see how open interest is looking, and we'll also see FII data. Before that, let me tell you one thing, that is Sensible is giving free pro plan for users of IAFL, 5 Paisa, Zero, the Upstock, and IAFL. So if you are using these brokers, you can go for their this thing. What is that? You can go for 1 month of free pro plan, no credit card information asked, no debit card information asked whatsoever. So if you want, you can go for it. The link is on the description below. Now when it comes to FII data, I'm sure FII data would have not yet come. This is fifth data. And what the fifth data is showing is that DAAs have sold for 997 crores. That I don't have to talk to you. But what is very interesting is that participant wise open interest. Now if you have seen our latest video or yesterday's video, you would have noticed that there were around 166,000 active short contracts. That has reduced from 66,000 to 137. So they have significantly reduced their short position in index. At the same time, they have significantly increased their long position in future longs also. So market might, it is hypothetical to tell now what is going to happen, whether we are going to go up or whether we are going to go down. We really don't know. We'll have to wait and see how market is going to span out. As far as I am concerned, I believe that the market might reverse, because price action is respecting the trend line. So there is possibility of or probability of market reversing. I could go wrong. In case I go wrong, I have to break my head, or I'll have to do some adjustment. Let me tell you, today I didn't even touch my terminal. I didn't do any adjustment in spite of having huge position. I was just seeing the MTM losses only, because of I believe that the market may reverse. So that's what I believe. I may go wrong. As I told you, I may go wrong. If I go wrong, we'll have to do some circus, or we'll have to do something or other to mitigate the losses. And in terms of open interest, what we can see is today people have returned 17,600. So this is today's expiry. So tomorrow, next week, open interest I am showing. So huge calls are being returned at 17,600, and at the same time huge puts are also being returned at 17,600, which means people are selling short straddle at 17,600, and highest call is at 17,600 and 18,000. So 18,000 is having the highest call. Apart from that, 17,600 is having, and 17,500 is having the highest put. That is in terms of Nifty. And in terms of Bank Nifty, what we can see is we are seeing huge calls being returned from 41,000 to around 42,500, and there is more calls being returned than puts being returned. So highest put is at around 40,500. So be careful. We are at a crucial junction. We might move either way. So just be careful and trade cautiously. Anything can happen, or nothing is going to go wrong. But but what I'm expecting or what I'm thinking is that market has priced in all these factors. Whatever incident is there is being priced or already priced in. So the probability of market might reversing might be very high. So I read somewhere that all the indicators are showing over at high or overbought region. So just be careful. Let us see how things pan out. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.